Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about.
What's going on, guys? This is Christian Olvera from the Olvera Fam. Those who don't know us, we are resellers. We sell on Amazon, eBay, OfferUp, and Postmarks. We haven't sold anything. We only have 20 listings and the pictures are not really good, so we're gonna update that. Anyways, this video it's really about a pallet that we bought in bulk.com. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the website. I'm gonna leave it in the description. The reason why I'm doing this video is because a lot of people in YouTube, I see that they say that they pay $300 with an MSRP of 11, 15,000. You see the products and they're magnificent. So I decided to go ahead and buy my own. This one cost us $1,930 and it has an MSRP of $10,750. It's uninspected returns, so check out the video. It is a little bit long, but I'm gonna show you every single product that comes in that pallet. Now, you guys need to subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up if you guys want to keep seeing this kind of videos. We're about to move from California to Arizona just because we really want to do this full-time, which for me, it's basically my full-time job. We also do a little bit of Uber, Lyft, and stuff like that, but most likely is reselling, so let's check it out.
I mean, I guess.
Trust them. I'm gonna open this up really quick. I have set some boxes right here. Now these boxes that I set up are basically to take some stuff from there and take it to the room. Now I have a mess right here, and the reason is because we're moving to Arizona. When we move, we're actually gonna we rented a 26-inch truck, so we'll see how that goes. But this is what we have out here right now. After I'm done taking most of the stuff from here, we're gonna go to the room, inspect them, check the manifest, make sure that everything's there, test the items, and then put them for sale. So let's see what's up. I have 3 boxes that I can fill up. So check it out. I don't feel like putting that kind of stuff in the boxes. Then we get a HD TV high gain indoor antenna. I'm gonna go really fast. Well, I'm gonna do this the fastest I can. I just want to show you guys what comes in it, and then we'll check once we're in the office, the room, the condition of everything. I don't know what's this flannel sheet set. Okay, so this is sheet set that actually looks new. Then we have a portable DVD player. A receipt on the back that it says too small. We have walkie-talkies. Cobra. I know Cobra is good because I had a what's it called? I had a radar detector. You know, when the highway, you're on the highway and you want to see if the highway patrol is there or not. How can they put these things like this? Okay, this is plastic, but this is glass. So, yep. And now that I went through the other pallets, oh, by the way, this is customer returns. In case you guys didn't know. We already went through that other pallet. We paid $1,300, a little over $1,300 for it, and we made really good money until now. We probably got from there $3,500. I'm gonna try to show you guys some items that we sold, and on this one there's a lot of these. Now these really have me nervous because I know I had one that they went bad. This brand was bought by Apple, so I don't know. Some of them, like these, look new with a broken box. You guys can see right there, but I'll check it out right now. And there should be around 20 to 30 of those. Not really sure. Then we have these. This is the worst things that come in that pallet. Another walkie-talkie with a receive, clip copy. Looks like it's from, I don't know, but again, Cobra walkie-talkies. I think they should be good. We have a Google Home. I already have one of these. For some reason, it's kind of hard to sell. I'm gonna have to price it very low. Another one. See, like this one, date 12/17, order, blah blah blah. I don't know. Well, let's check one. It looks a little used. We'll see what's the deal with these. It's 2 of those till now. Look at this. Let's see. Okay, whatever. Ryan. I have no clue what this is. I'm gonna actually open it. There's a lot of DVDs here, that's for sure. It came with 32 DVDs, supposedly. So I bought from liquidation before, and in liquidation, to be honest with you guys, a lot of products were damaged on liquidation.com. With this other one, oh, look at this. This might sell. I mean, it will sell, that's for sure. So this is already in a box, but I opened it. So I'm just stacking in another box. This is Music Quiz. It looks new. Like the seals want to be there. But we'll check it out later. Tiki Me Pops. No clue what this is. And this, it's a return. I'm just curious to check the condition of this one. I said I was not gonna open anything, but man, you guys know how it is. And like I said, in the pallet there was a lot of these. So yeah, this is open. So there were like 32, and for me thinking, I'm like, there's no way in the world that 32 could have gone wrong, you know. But they look pretty good, lightweight. So if I sell these on eBay and I sell them cheap, the shipping is gonna be no more than $10, if not less. We'll see. See, that's why I didn't want to open anything. I'm terrible closing stuff. It's really bad. Toy Story blanket. Looks pretty cool actually. I'm gonna use it for me. table tennis, whatever this is. A lamp. I'm not gonna open it right now because I don't want it. That's why. Huh? This Imusa, el original. I'll put it over here on the side. Nice. Nice. Look at this. Isn't that great? Man. Like, come on, bub. Then we have another one of these. These should be good, the sheets. They should be nice. And on the last one that we got, we actually kept a few things, like a backpack, the Irene camera, stuff like that. See, this is the kind of things that I want to find where to put so I won't just fill up my boxes with this. Ay, ay, ay. Boxes full with this. Another DVD player, Samsung. Another one was LG or Samsung, I'm not sure. Another DVD player. Another DVD player. Well, I already told you guys, we're gonna do this same thing. This thing with the DVDs for a while because there are a lot of them. See, I found a good way to stack them. Look at that. So a few can fit in there for sure. Fasha, fasha. Let me put you guys back in here. I don't know what this is. And I think it's in French, so my wife would have to read this, but it looks like it's for smoothies and stuff like that. A mouse. Logitech mouse. The Big Move Quiz. Another Beats, for sure return. That's simple. That's simple. Another one of these. One on the box for games. Now this is Cinematic Light Box Speaker. Here we go. Another DVD player, Samsung. This one has Blu-ray. Quadricilla. All-in-one video security system. Let's check it out really quick. I actually bought this pallet, and that's bad. Don't do that. I bought it with the intention of getting some cameras. Because since we bought the iHome and it's great, when we went to Lake Havasu to check out the place, we were able to look at our pets, see them, talk to them. So for sure a return. Trying to be a little ghost here. Look at that. So good. This is not cool. This is not. That's why I said I was not going to check anything. I know how I am. Okay, let's try this one more time. Patience. Let's be patient. Okay. There you go. I messed it up. Okay. a wonderful idea. Put this right there, and then this thing on the top. Look how my patience work. So patient. I haven't sold anything with Poshmarks. Not that I've posted a lot, but I'm gonna post up to 50 things. If I don't sell anything, I'm out. See, like this one, I can tell that I got damage not long ago, just now, probably on the truck. And it would be a nice, well, I wouldn't keep that thing there, but yeah, whatever. More bedding stuff. It doesn't even have a name. Juanita, maybe. Petrushka. Who knows? I'm really excited about those. So let me let you guys take a quick look to this, so you guys can see what I see. So then we have this Samsung speaker receipt. Just says return. I hope it really just is a return, because they didn't like it, because they thought it was too expensive, because they used it and now they don't need it no more. Beats like this one, I don't even know if it's in there or not, but it looks like it's not. Beats. And to be honest with you guys, the last one I wasn't really great at checking the manifest. Reverse logistic. I don't know what's that, but another one. Should probably cover this a little bit more. More DVDs. Pillow. Harmonica. This can go in the kits. And the things that I throw around is because they don't break. Okay, so don't be crying. This that looks brand new. Yeah, very brand new. It looks like a rat bit it. Look at that. So we'll see what we can do with this. These are the only things that really suck in here. That when I bought it, I said, we're gonna have forks for life. Oh, look, one of the cameras. Another Beats. So this camera, because I want it for us, we're gonna have to check it to see the condition. It says it doesn't work. Okay, now that's why it doesn't work. That's the first one. And I really don't know if that's normal, like a return. Oh no, it's a return, it's okay. Has the charger in there, but doesn't seem normal, huh? This I should put on the side also. God. Home speaker. It feels really light also, so let me just open it. Check it out. Okay, iHome speaker. Doesn't really say anything. turns on. So we'll take it as good. Put it, actually I don't need this box for that. So I'll just put it in the box. Or I do need it for, where is the, okay. So these are the ones where you scan them and it tells you exactly what it is. And the first pallet that I bought from them, I was doing manually, and I got tired of 230 items. So I couldn't know if it was complete or not. But this one will for sure check them off. This little thing right here. Because I bought a scanner. Another DVD player, portable. I have to check these two. I'll be back in a second. So I got this weird box right here just to throw all the kind of stuff like that for the bedding and all that. And I have these kits, well, toys and stuff like that. Some electronics, home goods, and well, most likely electronic home electronic goods. The DVDs, most of the beats, probably some of those I'm gonna pass them over here so the beats will just fit right there. So let's keep going because time, we really don't have a lot. I mean, come on, babe. Pillow fort. Oh, this actually looks nice. Okay, from Target actually. I don't know what this, okay, now I know what this is. It looks pretty cool. We'll see if it works or not. But yeah, looks nice. So I like to do these videos because I've seen those people that say, oh my god, I bought a pallet for $360 with an MSRP of $20,000, and you look at it and it's great and you're like, damn, I'm gonna be rich like that. Just want to show you guys what really comes in here. And once I start testing them out, we're gonna check if it's good or not. I spent $1,900 on all of this, so I did put a lot of money in it. Beats. Another of the cameras, and it says don't connect to Wi-Fi. Okay. Wow. So that's why it doesn't connect to Wi-Fi. It's not even in here. So that, of course I'm gonna call bulk because I don't think they should tell you that that comes inside. And it's actually not the item in there, you know. And that it happened with one item on the other pallet. I don't even remember what it was. For sure, oh, it was a CD for the computer, like a program. Not a big deal, but these kind of things, especially because I bought them for myself. And again, that's not a good idea. Don't do that, because if you buy a pallet based on what the things that you want, like on 2-3 things, and they don't work and they come like this, that's a problem. Let me put it on the side as well. It's a problem because then you're gonna be all disappointed. Doesn't matter how many good things come in there. If you just wanted one thing and it's not in there, it doesn't work, well, it's a mess. I actually had a guy comment on one of my videos saying that he bought from there and they just weren't working. So more of these that look really, really cheap. I think that selling on eBay is kind of expensive. The fees really kill you. More of those. Tennis things. What if we cut? Oh no, we said we might need this box. Never mind. Heated micro plush throw. It looks new. So we'll see how these are. You know, and I messed up because I'm unboxing all of this stuff and all my neighbors can see. I should have told the guy, you know, just flip it around, but didn't think on that. Another antenna. HD TV high gain indoor antenna. So another 2 walkie-talkies. I don't remember seeing this many walkie-talkies, and these are completely new. That's good. Definitely not getting my money back on this. On that. I mean, not only on this one. So a charger. These actually sell decently. Xbox thingy wingy. Ooh. There was actually a bunch of these on the other one, and they were good. One was missing the microphone. I don't know if that will be the case. Yeah, I think that's the case. We'll check them later. Not a lot of time right now. Now, they have so much to go through. Magic bullet. Looks open. Let me check it out. But, okay. Everything is in here. So I'm gonna do a different video. I'm showing you guys everything, if the things work or not. How I'm gonna scan them to check the inventory. But I'm just gonna let you guys have a quick a peek. Looks new, but again, who knows until I really inspect them. And I do inspect them because you do want to inspect them. Because if you sell it on eBay, Amazon don't even talk about selling this on Amazon like new. But if you sell it on eBay as new open box, and it happens to be used, well, they can return it. You're gonna end up losing the shipping, and well, you have that in your history as a seller. So of course they take notes of everything. And lately it's been a problem, because people just like to return stuff just because they work and everything, and they return it saying that they don't, and at the end they do. This price is $7.99, like for, I don't know if it's for fruit or another quiz. And I see a bunch of beads. Another of these antennas with this thing all messed up. Another of these light speaker. Beads that are completely returned in a bad shape. Battles of Ages. This is like a game. Okay, this is completely new, so that's good. This is shrink pack bag. This we'll keep for us because since we're moving, we're gonna for sure need these. Another DVD. Open box. Another DVD. Or if all the DVDs don't work, I'm fucked. Sorry. Another portable DVD. More Beats. Man, I thought at least I was gonna have 1 or 2 new pairs or something like that. Doesn't look like it. More Beats, more Beats. This one also returned in bad condition. This one they broke something on the up here. Bags, like trash bags, of course. Oh, they smell good. Of course, we're keeping these. Tall kitchen trash bags, odor protector, pine scent. So I like the scent of the pine. The pine is what I like. Chiropractic. Okay, this thing is very weird. The pictures are weird also. I'm pretty sure that lady is not gonna see this, but if you see this, like, come on, couldn't you be more weird? I think that we have to check all the beats to make sure they work. Didn't really think about that. Damn. Dermatouch Skin Essentials de la Blue, Arbor, and Emery. Oh, look at this thing. My uncle actually asked me for another one of these. This one is sold already. Bunch of little figures. So what I did the other day, because of course I get a lot of my products thrifting, I spoke with the lady, with the owner of the place, and I told her, you know what, I get pallets, and some of the things that come in the pallet are not like very convenient for me to take the time to post, or they're damaged box. So we got an agreement that I'm gonna take her a box with stuff. She's gonna look at it, tell me how much she offers, and I'm gonna spend that same money there. She's gonna give me like credit, which is pretty good. Another DVD. Man, why can't they just put tape on it? Like, see, that there I don't like. I mean, I understand it's a return, but do you guys have to leave it like that and damage it all? This one looks completely new. Only thing is that. So we'll open it up later. Check it out. Oh, why did all these people return these? Do they just watch a movie and then return it? Look at this. Another DVD player. This one also looks completely new, but damage boxed. Another one of these. Doesn't like / work. So who knows what that is. Another portable DVD. Stick lamp with charging outlet. Have no clue what that is. we'll check it later again, because so I do Uber as well. My wife does Uber as well, and we live in Seaside, and we live in Fort Ord. Fort Ord is a military. Looks like there's military housings around here, and I don't know what to put. And I had a customer, and she's moving out, so I told her what we do, and full sheet set. A sheet set, nice. Put the box all the way back there. So I told her what we do, and she said she had some things that she doesn't want, furniture. So we might go pick it up if we can. Broken doesn't work. Damn. Broken. This one doesn't say anything. I don't know if I prefer them to not say anything or the other way around. It says return new, so. And I know there's gonna be some that won't work, but come on, bud. I still have some stuff over here. This is food storage bag. Sip it. Let's check it out. I'm already tired. Oh, this look new, huh? This look new. So this I'm gonna check. I might keep for me. Gallon bags. Let me check one at least. Oh, nice. Nice. This is good. I like it. I like it for more. For ourselves. This bag. A New Day. I think this brand is from Target, and it actually looks new and nice. Another one of these. Damn, well, we still have a lot. Now I'm gonna go put some stuff inside and then come back, because I am running out of space. Like a little shaver, and I'm sweating, as you guys can see. So let me go wash my hands, wash my face, and come back out. Like these can go here. See, I say I'm leaving, but I can't leave. That happens all the time. Another one that looks new. Just messed up box. These cameras, I think there's a few of these. I think 4 or something like that. That they look new actually, like new. Okay, not they look open box, but let's check them out, right? So let me take some of this stuff inside and come back. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, now I'm gonna do this really quick because we do have to leave. We have to go. There's still so much. Well, there's most likely DVDs. Look, 2 of these right here. You know we don't like these, right? Fuchi, caca, popo. But then we have 2 more beats. Pretty sure how we're gonna make this work. To be honest with you all. Okay, so beats are going there too. More DVDs. So for now, I'm not gonna put them in any box. But here's 2 more. Again, kind of sealed. kind. These are different kinds of the ones that I've been getting. Two more DVDs. Returns for sure. Boxes are open. I really don't know what's the thing with these DVDs, huh? We have some of these Gillette. These are really, really good. They sell incredibly good, actually. Sticky back. Sujetadores sticky back. General purpose. Oh, I know what this is. This is cool. Might work for me. More of the Gillette. Man, I really didn't think there was gonna be so many returns. This one says not turning on. Did they really came out that bad? Another 3. I was about to drop the DVDs. Ooh. Okay. Clear Sonic thing, I don't really know what that is. It's like to clean your face. A full set of Jurassic Park. The bedding thing for the kids, for the kiddos. Some more Gillette that I'm really happy with the Gillette because they're actually really expensive. More Beats. Another 2. 2 more DVDs. Damn. A big pile of DVDs. I really don't expect to have more than 4 broken there, because it would be ridiculous if that would be the case. We'll see. And again, I'm gonna do another video keeping you guys posted about that. Go through more. Getting tired. Let's lift it a little. Oh wow, there's a hole. I'll show you guys. Another 2 DVDs. I really don't know how much time we have to check the manifest, but I would really like to check it, especially when we have stuff like this. It's crazy. It's just crazy. More of those Velcro things. More of the Beats X. And there's only small things now. Oil. 5W20. I think it's a cheap one. But oil, it's oil. Then right now I'm gonna have to put everything inside. But before I do that, I want to show you guys how this looks. Go over there. I actually still have things that I haven't even posted from the last one, because I know they're so low selling. So yeah, this thing's for the bathrooms. I think they're good. I mean, those will sell, especially on a pair. See? 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 There you go. Hope it's not messing with me. All the way over there. Throw. Oof. Right where I didn't want it to land. I don't know what this is. I should maybe not touch it like this. Lancing device. It looks like a tampon. I don't know. Touch. Look at that. Like, come on. Like, really? What is this? A charger? Oh, this one's cool. Marvel. Let's go for it. Nice. Straw. That's a straw. It's a fork. Don't shit. Now. Look at that. Actually, okay. That wasn't the idea. But it worked. And that's it. Let me show you guys how that's all we have here. Okay, so I have to put all of this inside. Here's all. Here's what came empty. Here's the little brick. So all of this right here. So there's some stuff that I already had, okay? But all of this right here, all of this, all of that, all of that, all of that right there, all of that right there came in the box. And those over there, I don't know if you guys can see that. The lining looks bad, but that's the bedding things. That's it. I'm gonna put all of this in the room, and then I'll check it out. I'll make a video about it and let you guys know if it's worth it or not. I mean, I paid again $1,900 for it. Beats used to be very expensive. They used to be around, I believe, $150 to $200. Now they're about 80 to 90. So we'll see if we can make money. The other walkie-talkie that I thought it was gonna be here was not here, so I'll let you guys know whatever I find. Okay, so I just put probably a 70-80% of the items in the room. What I'm gonna do now is scan them. I have a scanner right here. Let's show you guys. Right here. Last time that I bought the other pallet with bulk, I didn't have the scanner. At 230 items, I just gave up because it was too much. And I had a lot of things to post. We did great. We sold a lot. We got our money back probably in the first 4 or 5 days. And now that I have the scanner, I am gonna check everything because this one was $1,960, I believe. I'm still gonna put in the description how much it really cost me. And yeah, let me show you guys really quick. So this is Miley's room, my stepdaughter's. We're about to leave to Arizona, so in the meantime, we decided to basically do my office in this room because we're gonna fit better. I'm about to go buy more of those. I have some in a little storage that I have outside, but they're full. And this right here that you guys see, it's part of what I got today. So I have this full box, this full box, this full box, this full box right here, this one right here, all of this, and I still have some boxes on the back. So I'm about to scan everything. I'm gonna leave this video right here because if I continue, it's gonna be super long. But on the next video that I'm about to do right now, I'm just gonna scan, and then check the items and let you guys know. Of course, I'm not gonna show you guys scanning every single product, but basically I'm gonna show you some examples of how I scan. It's just click, and then I'm gonna test them out, show you some examples, and at the end of the video I'm just gonna tell you guys how many stuff did work, how many didn't, and the postings and all that, to see if buying from bulk it's good or not. So we'll check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up. Have any comments, any questions, please let me know. I will be more than happy to answer them.
So don't waste my time then. I just been living online. My city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more play.